Awesome guys, I'm gonna make a new vid. I'm gonna make a movie, so it'll be coming up in 2035 March. I mean it. The movie will release in March. This March. So the movie that I will be making is called Monster Dreams, and then Monster Dreams will be releasing at December 30, 2025. So yeah, just watch it. It's gonna be hype and it's gonna be best. By the way, you already heard about Stranger Things, but I made it different. Called Monster Dreams. So watch my video. Watch my new movie right now. Coming at December 30, 2025. See ya. And season 7 and season 7 and season 6 will be releasing at February 15, 2026. So watch it guys. Bye bye. See you later. If you want to watch it, if you want to watch the movie, it's coming soon. I'll be releasing it soon. So bye bye guys.